Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can play your gadgets in peace. So on this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook. Bang! www.themanwhosetselhimselfonfight.com. I also have a PayPal donation link somewhere in the description of the video. All right, let's jump right into it, guys. I promise you, when I got that Tivo Stream 4K, that I was going to show you how you can add storage. As you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm going to put 400 gigs. I'm gonna say it again, 400 gigs on the Tivo 4K, and I'm also going to show you how you can use a third-party remote control, USB remote control. It does support Bluetooth, so you can use a Bluetooth remote control, but I have a lot of USB remote controls. I'm going to show you the simple device that I use to accomplish both of them. Let's get it started. All right, guys, so what I have here is the regular USB micro SD reader. It's basically a flash drive. I can put a micro USB card up in there. And you can see here I have a SanDisk Ultra 400 gigs. I'm just gonna put it in this USB reader. Now the next thing I'm gonna need is this USB-C to regular USB. So it's two females. One is the USB-C, the other one is the regular USB. I'm gonna plug that disc right into here. All right, it's simple. I got the SanDisk into the USB reader, and this is how it's gonna look. Just one solid device. It's not that big. So let's go ahead and plug it up. Simple process, guys. See, I have my power running from the micro USB, and on the side I have my USB-C port. I'm going to use this adapter, go ahead and plug it in there, and now I have my storage. Now you can use the same process with USB. So I have this third-party remote control. I'm just going to reverse it, put the dongle in there, and I should be able to use the remote control. Easy as that. All right, guys, so I got this remote set up. I just showed you how I connected it, and you can see that it's moving. Now what it is, the drawback of this remote control, I'm going to show you in a second, but pretty much all of the functions work. I have keyboard in back in here. So let's say if I wanted to go and search something, get more apps, and let's go up here to search. All right, I want to type, you know, that works. Let me see, backspace, that work. Here's the problem, guys. Watch this. I'm gonna hit that back button. Boom, the back button does not work on here. So the only way I can get back is home, and that's in every application. When I press the back button, it doesn't work. Okay, but other than that, everything seems to work just perfectly with this. I mean, I can select things. I can go ahead and use my little arrow mouse, highlight something, press it, it's going to work. Take the arrow mouse off, but if I want to get out, I press back. It's not working with this app, so maybe it work in some apps and not other apps. Let's try again. Let's try Prime Video, and let's see if it open up. I'm gonna let everything load up. So do it work? And it's gonna allow me to use it in Prime Video. So that's interesting. It works in some apps and it doesn't work in other apps, guys. So I find that interesting. But you can put a third-party remote control on there. Absolutely loving this. Now, of course, if you're using this remote control, guys, you're gonna lose your any third-party remote control. You're gonna lose your ability to go directly to the Tivo UI. But if you just want to strictly be in the Google UI, here you go, guys. I mean, it's simple, easy to use. Let's see if I can get out of here. See, it's not letting me back out of there. Press on, get out of there. All right, so that's how you hook up the remote control. Let's go ahead and add the 400 gigs. You heard me? 400 gigs of storage to the Tivo Stream 4K. All right, let me go ahead and plug it up. And again, it's the same process that we did. You can see it says checking USB drive. The same apparatus that I used to add the USB remote control. Only thing I did was use that flash drive with that SIM card extension for it, micro SIM card. And you see right here, you can go right here with it, give you that notification. It says you can tap the USB drive, all right, to set it up. But I just want you guys to see that it's reading it. Now, this just went from what, 8 gigs of storage or whatever you have left after the app that you install with the UIs to watch. You guys asked for this. Now you say, Tech, in my last video I want to see you add external storage, and boom, you asked for it, you got it. Let's go to storage, and you can see right here, look at this, 394 gigs. This thing is reading a 400 gig card. You can put all the apps to your heart desire on here. You can also add you some movies and stuff on here if you would like. And also, guys, you can download Media Plus to play different movies that you have. So this is a game changer for me. It's simple, using that USB-C. Now, I am thoroughly surprised that the transition works so well. But like I was saying, man, before I cut myself off, this was so simple to do. Anyone can do it. And not only is this faster, remember I did the video yesterday comparing the Fire Stick 4K to the Tivo 4K, and remember how much faster it was and how smoother it was and the advantages it had. Now that you can add this amount of storage and how easy it is to add it, game changer, baby, game changer. Let's jump back to the studio so I can give you my final thoughts on this process. All right, welcome back. Now here's some thoughts. I do have this USB-C hub, all right, to where I could have just put in the flash USB right there, spot for HDMI. I also have Ethernet, but this hub does not work. Now I seen on Super Dell show last night, and Darrell said it too on the panel, that all hubs do not work. All hubs are not created equal, so this hub did not work. But as you can see, that little apparatus that I used worked perfectly fine. So that's a disclaimer. So when you want to do this, man, I recommend that you probably go to Super Dell live show and see exactly what hub he had, or Darrell is gonna do a video too and see exactly what hub she have. I can't find my other hub, but I know that little converter right there worked. Guys, absolutely a game changer when you can have a device like this and then you're able to add a USB remote control, third-party remote control, or even add that amount of storage. 400 gigs, are you kidding me? That is truly an entertainment hub. Hey, it's your boy taking a bathroom. Like I said, you guys asked for it and I made time to deliver it. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure those bell notifications is turned on, but not just on, that you select all, so you get every last videos. I'm thinking about doing some cooking videos again, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me do another cooking video. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.